Yo, what's going on, guys? Lucrative Trading here. This video I'm going to be doing a quick recap on my trade I took today on AMAT, Applied Materials. This trade I entered at 10:20 and exited at 11:05. I did use options contracts for this trade, and I used precisely the August 4 147 calls. And my idea was, since it was Friday, I did not want to get the same week expiration because time decay would work too hard against me. So I wanted a little breathing room there and not have time decay attack me the second I enter the trade. So that's why I chose a bit further out options. I got my contract for $5.32 and exited for $6.05. The reason my reasoning for this trade was it was very strong against the market and it wasn't already overextended, and it was like slowly going up, but like nice and orderly. You can see how here on LRSI, it was just staying up the whole way. Here we got SPY. SPY was in a small uptrend. Another reason why I took this trade was because the daily chart was really nice. As you can see, it broke out of this compression zone and it's above all three daily SMAs, the 100, 200, and the 50. Overall, what I could have done to improve this trade was stay in it a bit longer. Since it was my first trade in a bit, I was a bit panicked. I was trying really hard to follow LRSI. So my idea was if it drops under 0.8, then I would exit. But it did not for quite a while, and I could have scraped a couple extra dollars out of that. So eventually I ended up exiting for around $1 off the stock base price and exited for 70 cents on the contract itself. Overall, yes, of course, like I said, I should have seen this trade longer, and that was the trade I took today. That was the only trade I took today, and I think it was a pretty good trade. Another trade I was looking at was XPEV, but I missed my entry because I was eating breakfast. Anyways, that's it. Short little video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like these trade recaps and a little more in depth on how to trade, let me know.